In today's video, we'll learn how to make the zigzag pattern. Take a damp shirt that's been soaked in soda ash and spun out in a washing machine. Turn inside out, fold in half vertically. The two front halves of the shirt should be touching and the tag will be exposed. For this shirt, we will draw our desired pattern with a washable marker. Next, we'll draw vertical guidelines with a different colored washable marker. Begin pleating along one of the middle guidelines, taking care to keep pleats nice and even. If for some reason our pleats begin to buckle, we'll use wooden skewers tied at each end with sinew. Once our shirt is totally tied, it's time to dye. You can use any color you want, but today we'll use the basics, and we'll start with grape. Next is fuchsia. Deep orange after fuchsia. Vivid turquoise is next, followed by a nice and bold green. Once this side has been dyed, repeat the same colors and pattern on the other side. Let our shirt sit for at least 24 hours in a space with a temperature of at least 70 degrees. Once we've opened the shirt, wash it out in a washing machine, 2 cold cycles and 1 hot cycle, and hang dry. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. Be sure to check the full basics tutorial here for more in-depth information on essential supplies, resources, and designs. If you nailed this one, check out the drip tutorial here for another challenging design. Finally, if you're looking for some awesome tie-dye, check my site, dirtyhippielaundry.com. Thanks so much, have a great day.